Hello students, in this lecture we see the remaining examples in the exercise 6.5. In the previous lectures we see the solution of the differential equation. Okay. In this lecture we also see the examples on the solution of the differential equation, but that are the verbal examples on the solution of the differential equation. Okay. In the solution of differential equation we see the four methods: variable separable method, then reduce the variable separable method, homogeneous differential equation, and lastly it is a linear differential equation. Okay. But in the previous lectures there is a differential equation is already given. The question is only asked, solve the following differential equation. But in this lecture we see some verbal examples. In that, first we write the differential equation from the given conditions, and then we solve the differential equation. Okay. Here we solve the differential equation by any one method: variable separable. If the given differential equation directly variable separable method form, then we use the separable method, or reduce it to variable separable method by using the substitution, or the homogeneous differential equation. In the homogeneous differential equation, put y by x is equal to u, and lastly the linear differential equation. In the linear differential equation, first find the integrating factor and then use the solution of the linear differential equation formula. It is integrating factor into y is equal to integration of integrating factor into q. Okay, here it is a formula for the solution of the linear differential equation in y. Now here, from the given information, first we write the differential equation, and now first we identify the differential equation in which form: variable separable, reduce the variable separable, homogeneous differential equation, or the linear differential equation, and then apply any one method to the solution of the differential equation. Okay. Now here is the first question: find the equation of the curve passing through origin and has slope x plus 3y minus 1 at any point x comma y on the curve. Okay. Here first we find the equation of curve. So let y is equal to f of x be equation of curve, and dy by dx. Here y is equal to f of x, it is the equation of curve. Then dy by dx is slope of tangent, slope of the tangent at point x comma y on it, on the curve. Okay, here it is y is equal to f of x, it is the equation of curve, and the dy by dx, it is the slope of tangent at point x comma y. Then here given that the slope of tangent is x plus 3y minus 1, that means dy by dx is equal to x plus 3y minus 1. Okay, it is a given. Here given that, see carefully, here given that the slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to x plus 3y minus 1. Now it is our given differential equation. Here first from the given information we write the differential equation. Now we want to find the solution of this differential equation. Solution of the differential equation, that means we want to find the equation of the curve, that is y is equal to f of x. Okay, here dy by dx is equal to x plus 3y minus 1. First we identify the given equation in which type: variable separable method, reduce the variable separable method, linear differential equation, or the homogeneous differential equation. Here when we separate the differential coefficient, it is a dx, then the variable x and y are not separated, that means it is not in the variable separable form. And here the degree of the x, y, and it is 1. It is not a homogeneous equation because degree here 1, but it is 0. Okay. It is not in the homogeneous form. Now check it is a linear differential equation or not. Here in the linear differential equation in y, the degree of the dy by dx and the y, it is 1. Here the degree of dy by dx it is 1 and degree of y is also 1. Linear differential equation in y, there are the two conditions. The degree of dy by dx and degree of y, it is 1, and the y and dy by dx not multiple together. It is a linear differential equation in y, and now it is a linear differential equation in y. Now we write the linear differential equation in y. It is a dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Therefore it is a linear differential equation. We can write, see carefully here, dy by dx minus 3y is equal to x minus 1. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. It is a linear differential equation. See carefully. Compare with linear differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Therefore p is equal to minus 3 and q is equal to x minus 1. Now it is a p and q, it is a linear differential equation. First find the integrating factor. Therefore the integrating factor, it is e to the power integration of p dx is equal to e to the power integration of minus 3 dx, and then the integrating factor e to the power minus 3x. It is an integrating factor. Now the solution of the linear differential equation. Therefore solution of linear differential equation in y is, the solution is integrating factor into y is equal to integration of integrating factor into q with respect to x. Here it is a solution of the linear differential equation. Okay, now integrating factor e to the power minus 3x and q, it is this. Now we write the solution. Therefore the integrating factor, it is e to the power minus 3x. E to the power minus 3x into y is equal to integration of integrating factor e to the power minus 3x into q, it is x minus 1 dx. Okay, now here e to the power 3x into x minus 1, here we use the u into v. First we multiply x and it is a minus 1, or this x minus 1 and into e raised to x. Okay, any one case. Here it is a x minus 1, we take u into e to the power minus 3x dx, and here we use the integration by parts. X minus 1, it is u, and it is e to the power minus 3x, it is v. U into v, it is u into integral of v minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v in this dx. It is a integration by parts. Now taking the integrals, x minus 1 into e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3 minus integral of derivative of x minus 1, it is 1, e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3 dx. See carefully this. Now here e to the power minus 3x into y is equal to x minus 1 into e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3. Then here plus 1 by 3 into integral of e to the power minus 3x dx. We write this 1 by 3. And now e to the power minus 3x into y is equal to, it is x minus 1 upon minus 3 into e to the power minus 3x plus 1 upon 3 into e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3 plus c. Here it is a general solution. Okay, we write the general solution form. Here it is e to the power minus 3x. Without dividing by e to the power minus 3x, Then we get y is equal to, see carefully this, minus x minus 1 upon 3 divided by e to the power minus 3x. This e to the power minus 3x get cancelled, e to the power minus 3x get cancelled. Here it is a minus 1 by 9, e to the power minus 3x get cancelled, and here c upon e to the power minus 3x, that means here, and here it is our general solution. But we want to find the equation of curve, and there is a given the curve passing through origin, and the curve passing through origin, that means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. That means we want to find the particular solution at x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Now the given curve is the general solution. Write down, it is E is general solution of given differential equation. Okay, now the given that curve passing through origin, that is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. See carefully. Now put the value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in the general solution. Therefore it is a 0 is equal to minus, see carefully, it is minus 1 by 3. We put x is equal to 0, minus 1 by 9 and plus e to the power 0, that means it is c. Now take the calculation. Therefore here it is a plus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9, plus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. We get here it is a plus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. Here it is a 9 minus 3, it is a 6 upon 27, and 6 upon 27, that means 2 by 9 plus c, and therefore c is equal to minus 2 by 9. It is the value of c, and therefore the equation of curve, the particular solution means equation of curve. Particular solution, that is equation of curve, is, put the value of this c is equal to minus 2 by 9 in this. Okay, here it is our last answer, that is the equation of curve. Okay, see carefully this, you can write the last answer in this. Here c is equal to minus 2 by 9, put the value of c is equal to minus 2 by 9 in the general solution. Here you can erase this. Okay. Now therefore we can write y is equal to minus x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 minus 2 by 9 e to the power 3x. Here is the equation of curve. Now we simplify this. Minus x by 3, here it is minus, it is a plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9, then it is minus 2 by 9 e raised to 3x. Now here it is a minus x by 3, here 1 by plus 1 by 3 and 1 by 9, it is a 9 minus 3, 6 by 27, that means plus 2 by 9 minus 2 by 9 e raised to 3x. And now it is our solution, but here again we take minus 1 by 9 common. When we take the minus 1 by 9 common, it is 3x minus 2 and plus 2 into e raised to 3x. Here, or it is a required equation of curve. Okay, here y is equal to f of x. We take the y is equal to f of x, it is the equation of curve having slope dy by dx, it is a slope x plus 3y minus 1. Then we get the differential equation, that is in the form of the linear differential equation, and then we solve by using the method of the linear differential equation, we get the answer. It is the particular solution of the differential equation. Now we see the next example. The third example, find the equation of curve passes through the point (3, under root 2), 3 by under root 2, under root 2, having slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x, y is minus 4x upon 9y. Again same example, we want to find the equation of curve. Let y is equal to f of x be the equation of curve and dy by dx, it is the slope of the tangent at point x, y. Then here given that the slope of the line dy by dx is equal to minus 4x upon 9y. Okay, here dy by dx is equal to minus 4x upon 9y. It is the slope of tangent at point x, y. It is dy by dx is the slope of tangent at point x, y to the curve. Here now it is a differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to minus 4x upon 9y. And here clearly it is a variable separable form of the differential equation. Okay, here we take 9y here and dx here. It is a 9y dy is equal to minus 4x dx here. Now variables are the separated, so here we are not necessary to use the linear differential equation. Okay, and here we use the linear differential equation. When we use the linear differential equation, here it is a 9y dy by dx is equal to minus 4x. That means y and dy by dx degree 1, but both are in the multiple of y and dy by dx. So it is not a linear differential equation in y. So we can reduce it in dx by dy. So here see carefully. It is a 9y is equal to minus 4x into dx by dy. That means it is not a linear differential equation in x or in y. Directly here we use the variable separable method. Okay, now it is not linear equation in y or x, because here degree of the y and dy by dx it is 1, but both are the multiple together. Degree of dx and x is 1, but both are multiple in together. Okay, therefore it is not linear differential equation in x or y. Here variables are separated. Now taking integral on both sides is equal to minus integral of 4x dx. Then the integral is 9y square upon 2 is equal to minus 4x square upon 2 and plus c. Okay, then we can write it is 9y square upon 2 plus 4x square upon 2 or only 2x square is equal to c is the general solution of the differential equation. When we write only general solution, we multiply by 2, then it is 9y square plus 4x square is equal to 2c, and 2c again it is a arbitrary constant. But here we want to find the general solution, sorry, it is a particular solution. Okay, here it is a general solution. Is general solution. Now, when the curve, given that the curve passing through three upon root 2, comma root 2, that is x is equal to 3 upon root 2 and y is equal to root 2, and therefore put the value of x and y in this. 9 by 2 y square, it is y square, it is root 2 square upon 2, plus 4 into x square, 3 by root 2 square upon 2 is equal to c. Then take the calculation. Here 9 root 2 square, it is 2 to get cancelled, plus it is 9 by 2 and it is 2, that means 4 get cancelled. Here it is a 9 is equal to c, and therefore c is equal to 18, and therefore the particular solution of differential equation, that is equation of curve, is equation of curve is, it is a 9y square upon 2 plus 4x square upon 2 is equal to 18, throughout multiplying by 2. Therefore we get 2 to get cancelled, then it is a 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36. It is required equation of curve. See carefully this. Okay, it is a general solution and it is particular solution, that means it is an equation of curve. Okay. Now we see the next example. The fourth example, the curve passing through point 0, 2, and the condition is the sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve, sum of the coordinates are the x, y, on the curve exceed the slope of the tangent to the curve at that point by 5. That means sum of the coordinates exceeds the slope of tangent by 5. Then find the equation of curve. Now let y is equal to f of x be equation of curve, and dy by dx is slope of the tangent at any point x, y on the curve. Okay. Now here, given that, see carefully, given that the sum of the coordinates, coordinates are x, y, sum of the coordinates of the point on the curve exceeds the slope of the tangent, it is dy by dx. Sum of the coordinates exceeds the slope of the tangent by 5. That means the sum of the coordinates x plus y is exceed the slope of the tangent by 5. Now from the given condition we write this differential equation. Now this differential equation not in the variable separable form and not in the homogeneous form, because it is degree 1 and here it is a degree 0. Okay. Now it is a linear differential equation in y, because here the power of the dy by dx it is 1, that means degree of dy by dx is 1, and degree of y is also 1. If degree of dy by dx and y is 1, then it is a linear differential equation in y. If degree of dx by dy and x is 1, then it is a linear differential equation in x. But here it is a dy by dx and it is y. Okay. Now it is a linear differential equation. Therefore, we write in the linear differential equation form dy by dx minus y is equal to x minus 5. See carefully this. We can write y minus and it is 5. Here it is a minus. Now it is a linear differential equation. Compare with linear differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are the functions of x or constant. Here p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to x minus 5. Solving the linear differential equation, first find the integrating factor. Therefore, the integrating factor is e to the power integration of p dx, e to the power integration of minus 1 dx, and then it is e to the power minus x. It is an integrating factor. Now solution of the differential equation. Solution of linear differential equation in y is integrating factor into y is equal to integral of integrating factor into q with respect to x. Integral of integrating factor into q with respect to x. Integrating factor, it is e to the power minus x, and q, it is a x minus 5. Now we integrate it. Therefore, integrating factor e to the power minus x into y is equal to integral of e to the power minus x into x minus 5 with respect to x. Now here we use the u into phi, integration by parts, but it is x minus 5, it is algebraic function first and exponential function as a second function. Then u into phi, x minus 5 into integral of e raised to minus x minus integral of derivative of x minus 5 into integral of e raised to minus x with respect to x, and it is dx. Okay, for this integral. Now it is x minus 5 into e to the power minus x upon minus 1. See carefully this integration. Minus integral of derivative of x minus 5, it is 1. E raised to minus x upon minus 1 dx. Then here minus x minus 5 e to the power minus x. Minus minus, it is a plus into integral of e raised to minus x dx. Now e to the power minus x into y is equal to minus x minus 5 e to the power minus x, and here the integral is e to the power minus x upon minus 1 plus c. Now here it is a general solution. Okay, here we can divide throughout by e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x. Here it is e to the power minus x, and divide by c by e to the power minus x. Therefore we get y is equal to minus x minus 5 minus 1, here it is a minus 1, and plus c into e to the power x, because we divide by e to the power minus x, and then it is, see carefully, y is equal to, it is minus x minus minus plus 5 and minus 1, it is a plus 4, and plus c into e to the power x is general solution of the differential equation. But here our curve passing through point, it is a 0, 2. Here given that curve passing through (0, 2), that is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Now find the particular solution. Y is equal to 2 is equal to minus 0 plus 4 plus c into e to the power 0. C into e to the power 0, that means 1, and therefore it is c 4 and it is 2. Therefore c is equal to minus 2. See carefully this. Here it is a minus 0, it is a plus 4, and it is 2. This 4 we can write here, it is a minus 4. Therefore c is equal to minus 2, and therefore the particular solution that is equation of curve is y is equal to minus x plus 4 minus 2 into e to the power x. See carefully this. It is a particular solution, that is the equation of curve y is equal to x. Here the condition is sum of the coordinates is exceed the slope of tangent by 5. It is a given differential equation. It is a form of the linear differential equation in y. So we find the integrating factor, and it is a solution of the linear differential equation. Here it is a general solution, and when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, that means the curve passing through point x is equal to 0, 2, and then by putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, we get c is equal to minus 2, and then it is a particular solution, and that means it is an equation of curve y is equal to x. See carefully this. Now we see the last example. Now the last example in this exercise, if the slope of the tangent to the curve at each of its point is equal to the sum of the abscissa and the product of abscissa and ordinate. Here sum of the two terms, and that two terms are the abscissa and the product of abscissa and ordinate of the point. Okay, here it is a tangent, slope of the tangent, and then curve passing through point 0, 1, then find the equation of curve. Okay, now the same examples. Let y is equal to f of x be equation of curve, and dy by dx is slope of tangent to the curve at x, y. Okay. Now here given that the slope of the tangent, that is a dy by dx, is sum of the abscissa and product of abscissa and the ordinate. Sum of the abscissa and product of abscissa and the ordinate. Slope of the tangent is sum of the abscissa and product of the abscissa and the ordinate. Now it is our differential equation, and here it is in the variable separable form also. Okay. When we take the x common, okay, here we take x common, then it is a dy by dx is equal to, when we take the x common, we take 1 plus y. When we take the x common, then we get 1 plus y, and then it is dy by 1 plus y is equal to x into dx. Now it is in the variable separable form. Okay, it is variable separable form. It is also the linear equation in y, linear differential equation in y. Here the degree of dy by dx, it is 1, and degree of y is also 1. Okay, here now we see it is a directly variable separable form. Then we separate. Now dx and dy are the separate, then we integrate it. Integral of 1 by 1 plus y dy is equal to integral of x dx. Okay, now integral of this 1 by 1 plus y, it is log of 1 plus y is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Now therefore it is a general solution. Log of 1 plus y x square by 2 plus c, it is the integral of this. Okay, now for the removing log we are taking exponential on both sides. Therefore 1 plus y is equal to e to the power x square by 2 plus c. See carefully this. 1 plus y is equal to e to the power x square by 2 plus c. And now here we use the property of the indices. Here 1 plus y is equal to here e to the power x square by 2 into e to the power c, and here it is a e to the power c, we can write c. Okay, here we write this step in the here e to the power x square upon 2 into e to the power c. Here we use the rules of the indices. Now e to the power c again constant, therefore we can write c into e to the power x square by 2. Here e to the power c is equal to c. Okay, or we take here c1 and here it is a simply c. Okay, here or it is a arbitrary constant. E to the power c is equal to c is the general solution. Is general solution of given differential equation. Now the differential equation, the curve is passing through point 0, 1. Here given that curve passing through zero comma 1, that is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Then put the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in the general solution. Therefore 1 plus 1 is equal to c into e to the power 0, and therefore c is equal to 2. The value of c is equal to 2, and therefore the particular solution means the equation of curve. Equation of curve is 1 plus y is equal to 2 into e to the power x square by 2. 1 plus y, c into c, it is a 2 into e to the power x square by 2. It is a equation of curve, required equation of curve. This can also write it is y is equal to 2 e to the power x square by 2 minus 1. It is equation of curve. Okay, here it is a given differential equation. From the given conditions we write the differential equation, and here it is directly in the variable separable form. So here not necessary to use the linear differential equation, but you can use here the linear differential equation. Answer will get same. Here see carefully this. Here we directly separate, integrate, and it is our answer. Okay, y is equal to 2 into e to the power x square by 2 minus 1. Now this differential equation we can solve by using the linear differential equation. Here dy by dx plus x is dy by dx is equal to x plus x into y. It is a linear differential equation in y because the degree of dy by dx is 1 and degree of y is also 1. Okay, then we can write linear differential equation in dy by dx. Dy by dx minus xy is equal to x. Therefore here p is equal to minus x and q is equal to x. See carefully this. We can directly write it is a linear differential equation in y. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. P is equal to minus x and q is equal to x. Therefore integrating factor e to the power integration of p dx. Therefore p it is minus x, integration of minus x, it is a e to the power x square by 2, it is a integrating factor. And here the solution of the linear differential equation is the integrating factor into y. Okay, therefore the solution we can directly write the solution integrating factor into y is equal to integrating factor into q dx. And now we find the solution of this integration, and here e to the power x square by 2 into x, it is a product of two function, but here it is e to the power x square by 2, it is a composite function. E to the power x, it is a standard, e to the power x square by 2, it is a composite function, and we know for the finding the integral of the composite function we use the substitution. By using the substitution we reduce it in the standard integral and then integrate it. For the integration, here put minus x square by 2 is equal to t, then the derivative minus 2x upon 2 is equal to dt by dx, and therefore we can write x dx is equal to minus dt, x dx is equal to minus dt, then x dx is equal to minus dt, and it is e to the power t, and then integral, it is integral of e to the power t minus dt. See carefully this, and therefore we can write here, okay, see carefully this, e to the power minus x square by 2 into y is equal to the integral of this term, it is minus e to the power t plus c. Put the value of t, it is e to the power minus x square upon 2 plus c, then dividing throughout by e to the power minus x square by 2, then we get y is equal to minus 1 plus c into e to the power x square by 2. Okay, dividing throughout by e to the power minus x by 2, y is equal to minus 1 plus c into e to the power x square by 2, and here is the general solution, and here it is our general solution, 1 plus y, here it is 1 plus y, c into e to the power x square by 2, and from the general solution find the particular solution. Okay, you can use any method for the solving the differential equation. Here use the variable separable method or the linear differential equation. Okay, linear differential equation, by the linear differential equation we get this solution, it is a general solution, and by the variable separable method we get this general solution, and from the general solution we get the particular solution. Okay, here कोणतीही मेथड यूज करा, इथे सोल्युशन ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, सॉल्व द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन कोणत्याही मेथडनं सॉल्व केलं तरी चालते, फक्त आधी आयडेंटिफाय करा, आयडेंटिफाय द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन इन विच टाइप, व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड, reduce the variable separable method, or homogeneous or the linear differential, and solve it. Okay.